Joe and Norman, Novice Standard, Friday, November 21st, or November, oh my God, April 21st. I'm a wreck. Norman, you little stinker. Come on, you little stinker. Yes. Oh, come on. You've been so rock solid in your weeds. What are you doing? Come on, get the weeds. Get them. Get them, get them, get them, get them, get them. Yes. Come on. Oh, dude. He's really not liking the dog walk, so, oh well, we're not going to cheer, but that's okay. Come on, let's do the teeter. Let's do the rest of it nice. Come on. You got it, little boy. You got it. We love tunnels, so we speed up for those. Stick it. I knew you weren't going to. You had places to go. He's not big on the weight. Good boy. Good boy. Little social there, buddy. Good boy. No problem with the broad jump, but we're blowing off jumps that Joe's showing you. Come on. Do it, do it. Stick it. One more. Yes. 79-12.
Did he get it?